that we need a proper communication. So for communicating our views, we required a proper language. So we have different languages, but global language is English. So everyone, global language English means if you are going, we are connecting using web, we are connecting at different places. We are connecting to different places through internet. So how we will convey our things? Using some protocol, using some language called English language. How you are going to convey the things? So any language. So if you are sitting, if you are gathering, in the gathering also you have some. Okay. So
Hmm.
as a professional, we need to follow the
Hmm.
etiquettes of gathering. Language also, it's having some etiquettes. Etiquettes
Hmm.
means protocol, set of rules. Excuse me, if you have any disturbance around you, just mute it. If you want to convey anything, you just unmute it. Okay.
All of the
Okay, I'm
students,
clear
I will
and audible.
request you all kindly mute yourself while our ma'am was teaching. There is disturbance was coming. Kindly mute yourself. If you have any kind of doubt, kindly raise your hand or else do message in chat box. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Continue.
Yeah. So let us start this session, okay, English communication session. So we are gathered here. So I am your mentor. I will guide you how to communicate the things you want to share. So I will present you the PPT what I have planned for the English communication. Okay, let me share the things in PPT format. Sir, just make me host so that I can share the things with them. Okay, Jazakallah. Yeah, let us start with our session. Okay, you can see, any one of you can see this
Yes,
slide.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I welcome you in this training program, job oriented training program. I welcome you all. Okay, so you are the you are the graduates. You have done your graduations in different fields. You have skill set in that particular specialization, and you are going to be a responsible person of your family. So be responsible for anything. So you are the responsible person in your family. So to become a responsible, first start with the how responsible you are in gaining the things, so that your mind should be clear. Okay, so we have gathered here to train ourselves in a program. So in this training program you have the different skill set. It has a training of computer networking, English communication, and AWS, that is cloud computing. Okay, so this is the main factors required for the job seekers, isn't it?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So let me start with this English communication. Why the English communication is necessary? If you are going for a interview, so interviewer will means you have gone for an interview. In front of the interview, you have interviewer. You have to present yourself. Okay. So for
Yes,
that you
ma'am.
have to communicate in English. So what is the importance of the communication skill today? Well, let us see. Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
communication skill, one of the skill set, initial skill. You have a skill set means number of skills you have. Each person, it has number of skills, that is called skill set.
Whatever
Basic
in present our body skills, like a personal skills like that.
a computer skill you have. Okay,
Yes,
computer
yes.
skill, communication skill, soft
And body
skills.
body language also, face expressions, like that.
Yeah, so no, that skill means you what are the like what are the in education background, what you have a different skill set. let me
Okay.
uh, let me go through this slide, then I will introduce myself according to the how you have to go for the introduction. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
let me
Yes, ma'am.
finish. I will give you chance. If you have any doubts, make a
Okay, ma'am.
note of those questions. You can ask me. Okay, let me
Please,
finish my
friends,
session.
don't
Yes, ma'am.
please, friends, don't interact with madam when she is saying yes and all those things. You are saying yes, 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 ma'am. So please listen first, and when madam will give permission to ask the question, we can interact with her. Thank you, madam.
Let us complete this my slide PPT presentation. Then we'll discuss the things. Okay. So how to improve your skill set? Like a skill set means a set means a number of skills a particular person has. Okay, in the hobby, in the computer skills, different skills. Okay, so main basic skill is communication skill. So it is very important. So let us today see what is the importance of communication skill. Okay, so to improve, everyone can communicate. Initial thing is you should have a confident and you will believe in yourself. If you have believe in yourself, you can communicate. If you don't have any belief in yourself, you cannot communicate. This is the one reason of that. Okay, so three elements for English communication is: first, thinking in English. Like at home we won't talk in English. We have other language, mother tongue language we will use. So that's the reason we hesitate to communicate in English. Yeah. And second thing is develop external environment by edutainment. Edutainment means develop your external environment means you have to watch the in spite of watching other things, you have to watch the informative, educational, entertainment, documentary videos that is helpful for you to improve your English communication. So that education plus entertainment, it will become edutainment. So you will be gain with the information also, knowledge also, if you watch this edutainment videos. Okay, so external environment, external environment you can create, you can develop to improve your English communication skill. The next is wherever you are going, wherever you are with your friends or relatives, try to talk in English, try to communicate in English, so that hesitation will overcome. If you communicate with your friends, you will feel comfortable with your friends. So try to communicate with your friends in English to improve your English. Okay, and topics in English communication we will cover inshallah. So first topic is introducing, how you can introduce yourself, oneself, others, and chief guest. So I have to introduce myself. Okay, yourself and oneself, others, different models we have, we'll discuss in the class. Okay, so these are the four models how you introduce oneself, yourself, others, and chief guest. Suppose you got the opportunity to introduce chief guest, how you are going to introduce your chief guest? That you have to write first, then you have to give a speech, you have to convey that. Next is common expression for greetings. Common expressions are there for greetings, congratulating, complimenting, gratitude, apologizing, and welcome speech. Some expressions you have to use it for these on these occasions: greetings, congratulating, complimenting, and gratitude. Okay. The next is third is dialogue building. Dialogue building means conversation between two person. So like this, you will improve your English communication. Then WH questions. WH questions means why, where, what, who. Okay, these kinds of WH questions you have to frame it and the answer of that also. Then the main important thing is writing stories from outline. Outline means hints will be given to you. You have to write the stories. First you have to put the whatever in your mind, you put it on the paper, then convey it in a proper language, English language with grammar. Then next is letter writing is most important for the those who are working. So different. Usually you have learned in school or colleges, letter writing are of two kinds, formal and informal. Okay, so formal means official letters, order letters, and business letters. Okay, then memo writing. Memo writing means that writing, that letter, it is sent within the organization, that is called the memo writing. Then notice, agenda, and minutes. These are the different topics we will cover inshallah. And designing a resume. Okay, the last is group discussion. Okay, so one particular topic we'll discuss a group discussion. Then we will measure, we will test ourselves by using this different activities of English communication, by using this activity, small talk activity, hobby expert activity, pecha kucha activity, taboo game, I have never, find something in common, job interview. These are the different activities we will, using these activities, we'll do the English communication improve, like how we will check that how we are going with this activities. So let us start with the introduction part. Okay, so introduction part is the first impression. Okay, first time you are meeting one person, and this is the first impression. In 3 seconds you are giving, and that in front of your person will judge you in 3 minutes how you are. So that is an introduction. So the introduction should be very, it is the base of the further proceedings. Then we introduce ourselves to someone, we are saying we are interested. Okay, so how you will introduce yourself? By handshaking, that is optional, and introducing yourself and moving into conversation. First, how you will do that? First, we will introduce ourselves by doing the greetings, saying greetings, and introduce yourself, and we will communicate by doing conversations. Okay, here we have a model 1, how you will introduce oneself. These are the common ways. You can use this 5 ways. Okay, what are the common ways? First is good morning. Good morning, I am Asna Parveen from this. Excuse me, I am this from this. Excuse me, my name is this. I am the new student, I am from here. Good morning, I am this. I am XYZ from here. I have just joined this department of microbiology. So like this, you can introduce yourself. Suppose I want to introduce myself to all of you. Okay. So I have just joined this online course. In this department, I am handling the English communication. Okay. So myself, Asna Parveen, I have done my MCA. I have 15 years of teaching experience. I have started my career from PG college. Then I have skill set. I have MCA. I have done project from BHL. I know Java, C++. I have worked with colleges and schools. Yes, I am a coordinator also. I am handling school also. So, for introduction like this, you have to personal, then personal information, then education, then skill set, then experience. So like this, you have to introduce yourself. So this is the model 1. Then model 2 is introducing others. For introducing others, these are the common ways. Okay, this is Miss or Mr. Meet my friend, brother or sister. Do you know my father? Please meet Mr. and Miss XYZ. May I introduce my teacher? Let me introduce. I have. I would like to introduce my mother. I am sure you would like to meet her. Okay, these are the different ways of introducing others, once, and this. This is the this is the third model of introducing a chief guest. Okay. So friends, let me introduce, or I am glad to introduce our chief guest of the evening. Okay, this is the introduction part. Okay, and let us start with the English greetings. So English greetings, formal and informal. Hello, how are you? Good morning, good afternoon, like that. Informal, hi, hey, what's up? How day? How are ya? Like this. Okay, informal. So you have any queries? Let me start. I've given my introduction. Let me start with your introduction, please.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, wait.
Mm,
Yeah, start. Start your intro.
can I start, ma'am?
Yeah, start.
Hi, ma'am. My name is Sayyed Adnan Ullah Hussaini. I'm stay at Mehdipatnam. I completed my graduation from Usmania University, and I have experience for 2 years in marketing. And my hobbies are watching movies and listening to music. My family consists of 5 members, including me. I'm the elder son among them. My 2 siblings are studying. That's all about myself.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You have completed the introduction part.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next please. Jazakallah. Jazakallah. May I know your name, please? Just now you have given intro, no? May I know your name, please? Once
Sayyid
again.
Adnan. Sayyid Adnan.
Sayyid Adnan. Jazakallah, Sayyid Adnan.
Thank you so much.
Good to know. Yes. Excuse me, 1 minute. Sir, I'm not able to stop the sharing this share screen. I'm not able to see the panel. Panel I'm not able to see. It got stuck. Just solve this. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. आ रही है आवाज आप?
हाँ नहीं sir, administrator is there available?
Yeah, ma'am. What happened?
Manan?
Actually, I'm not able to share screen. It got stuck share screen. I'm not able to view the view panel. Meeting panel, I'm not able to see.
Can you stop your screen? Can you
It's
able to
not, it
stop
got
your screen?
stuck. Stop share, it got stuck. It is not.
Hello, ma'am. My request is all the others who don't, who doesn't want to talk, are the rest can mute their system. I mean the
Mute yourself, please.
yes.
Sir, I'm not able to see the panel. This Zoom panel, it got stuck. This one sharing.
Ma'am, just try that. Try to stop your screen sharing. After that, you can able to start.
No, sir, it got stuck. I know that stop share is not invoking. It got
Okay.
stuck.
I think you need to rejoin the meeting, madam. Leave and then join the meeting.
Better, ma'am. Can you leave and join again?
Okay, I will leave.